Fun.
Inspiring.
Amazing.
Exposure.
Life-changing.
Welcoming.
Intriguing.
Elevating.
Reigniting.
Impactful.
Immersive.
Enlightening. Innovative. Insightful.
Engaging. Refreshing. Inclusive.
It's diverse.
Welcome to the second cohort of Contour Launchpad, where we take internship program a little bit differently. We induct students while they are studying in their high school or in the first or second year of university. And the reason why we went with such a unique criteria for our interns is because we wanted to engage them while they are still in the process of decision making about their future. We wanted to give them the exposure that they need for an informed decision making about the career path that they want to take in the IT industry.
We launched our internship program to bridge the skills gap early on by targeting high school, university freshmen, and university sophomores. They were exposed to various domains, helping them with better career decisions. And they also built practical, business-oriented projects of their own. Furthermore, this internship is structured in a way to promote multi-sectoral thinking and not just limited to technical skills, ensuring capacity building for real, long-lasting impact.
Our interns worked with 2 departments receiving mentorship from seasoned industry professionals while gaining hands-on experience. As a final project, they conducted in-depth market research, identified a real-world problem, and developed a technical solution to address it, showcasing both their learning and innovation throughout the internship.
This is Contour, where we are building the future workforce.
PS and IT and QS,
L&D and finance,
Sales and marketing team and software development team.
L&D and software development.
Software development and PS and IT.
PS and IT and L&D.
SQA and sales and marketing.
PS and IT and software quality assurance.
Professional services and software development.
Software development and PS and IT.
Software development and PS and IT.
PS and IT and then dev. L&D and PS and IT.
Software development and software quality assurance.
PS and IT and software development.
L&D and finance.
Software development and sales and marketing.
Cybersecurity and sales and marketing department.
Sales and marketing and PS and IT. Good thing was I got to work on my own personal space.
The network.
I loved how everyone was really approachable and it made learning less intimidating.
Being mentored by experts.
It would be making new friends, experiencing corporate culture, and adapting to professional environment.
The food was really amazing.
I want to work in a place that values people and their well-being as much as results. I have a better idea of which career path I want to follow. It taught me how to step out of my comfort zone and learn new skills. Having gained hands-on experience in a lot of different fields, it has helped me layer my goals and understand what I want to do in the future.
It opened up new domains in the field of IT for me.
Cybersecurity always piqued my interest, and now I have a clear direction on how to follow up on it.
Marketing of the product is much as important as its development.
That the industry is not that intimidating.
It's definitely working and collaborating with individuals of different background and intellectual level. It was that from afar, everyone felt completely perfect, knowing and everything. But when I actually interacted with them, it was that everyone was learning and growing as they go. So it made me feel more connected to them.
One thing I noticed was that teamwork and collaboration is just as important as technical skills.
Talk about behind the scenes, I guess it's everything but coding. It's not just coding.
Definitely the daily travel. It's an hour-long drive, but totally worth it.
I step out my comfort zone to speak in public and group discussions. Balancing learning new tools while doing my own project and working on it alone.
Adapting to new programming languages that I have not studied before.
My fear of public speaking.
Collaborating is everything. It's not just code, it's communication.
IT industry is uniquely positioned because with each passing day, skills landscape is very rapidly changing. The skills that were needed yesterday are no longer needed today, specifically in the age of AI. Now, the need is even more than ever for industry to work with students. And that's why the way we have created our program and designed it is that students get exposure to all the departments within Contour, but at the same time, they also get to work on a project of their own, hence strengthening their entrepreneurial skills and 21st century skills, which are more about critical thinking and problem solving. We designed the program in a very different way, where students get to forge their path, push their boundaries, and redefine what's possible. Only 10% of the graduates that come out of the university are employable and industry ready. And hence there is a very strong need for industry to start engaging with students while they are still studying. This is even more important because in the age of AI and fastly changing skills landscape, young minds shape the future. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Contour Launchpad.